Just as keyboards have gained popularity among gamers and typists for their tactile precision, Canopy frames have become essential for both aesthetic and functional purposes, indoors and outdoors. Whether you're designing a dreamy bedroom setup or seeking shelter for events, choosing the right Canopy frame matters. This guide evaluates durability, frame style, assembly ease, material quality, and versatility to help you select the perfect frame for any setting or occasion. List number: Aufank full-size 4-poster metal canopy bed frame. The Aufank full-size 4-poster canopy bed frame is the epitome of elegance and strength. Made with durable metal slats and a minimalist modern design, this frame is perfect for adding soft drapes or LED lights for a cozy, stylish bedroom vibe. The integrated headboard and footboard provide support, while the sturdy steel frame ensures long-lasting durability without needing a box spring. List number 2. Cerlin Canopy Bed Frame Queen Size. Simple, sleek, and incredibly solid. The cerlin Queen Size Canopy Bed Frame is an ideal foundation for any modern bedroom. Its all-metal construction with reinforced slats gives great mattress support and reduces motion transfer. This canopy frame is compatible with various curtain styles, giving you the freedom to design a personal sleeping sanctuary. It supports up to 800 pounds. List number: Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy with center lock. When it comes to outdoor canopy frames, the Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy shines for its innovative center lock system and super fast setup. Ideal for backyard parties, farmers markets, or beach days. This canopy includes a durable steel frame, UV-resistant fabric, and a wheeled storage bag for portability. Its height is adjustable, and one person can easily set it up in under a minute. List 4. Bed canopy with frame for girls and adults. White tulle. For a touch of fairy tale charm, this white tulle bed canopy with frame brings whimsical elegance to any bedroom. Designed to fit twin to king sizes, this canopy includes its own frame, making it easy to assemble without needing an existing 4-poster bed. The soft tulle adds privacy while still letting in light, creating a dreamy ambiance for kids or adults. Great for themed bedrooms or even photography backdrops. List 5. 8-corner bed canopy with 100 LED starlights. This 8-corner bed canopy takes things to the next level with its 4-door design, LED star string lights, and unique 8-corner structure. It's perfect for creating a luxurious retreat-like atmosphere, especially for larger beds. The included battery-operated fairy lights add soft illumination, making it feel cozy and magical. Made from lightweight yet durable netting, it provides an elegant drape over any standard bed,